North-Eastern region is one of the most biodiversity-rich regions of India.
Those species are interlinked with the people living with aquatic ecosystems. They are forming a part of their diet, they are forming a part of their culture.
However, there are several pockets in the Northeast where there is a very high amount of degradation of the forests. The aquatic biodiversity of that region is under tremendous threat.
So our objective is to protect and sustainably manage aquatic ecosystems in the northeastern region of India to improve the livelihoods of riverine communities. NER stands for the North-Eastern Region of India and AQ, aquatic species. I'm happy to introduce you to the NERAQ project.